In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open email links with Gmail on Chrome by default. This quick and easy guide will ensure that whenever you click on an email link, it automatically opens in Gmail right in your Chrome browser. So let's get started. First, fire up your Chrome browser. If it's not already open, go ahead and launch Gmail and head to your inbox. Taking this initial step ensures that Gmail is on hand and ready to work its magic as soon as we adjust a few settings. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the settings where all the magic happens. In the address bar of Chrome, type in Chrome/settings/handlers and press enter. Doing this will take you directly to the page where you can determine how links and protocols are handled by your browser. Once you find yourself on this page, you might notice some existing entries for handlers. If Gmail isn't already listed as a handler, don't worry, we'll fix that now. Look for the email option, and if there's any old or unwanted email handler there, click on the X icon to remove it. This ensures there's no conflicting settings and sets the stage for Gmail to take over smoothly. Now, while you're still on the same page, glance over to see the setting for Sites can ask to handle protocols. Make sure this toggle is on. This setting is crucial because it allows sites like Gmail to prompt you when they are ready to become the default handler for certain links. Next up, navigate back to your Gmail tab. If you haven't had Gmail open all this time, no worries, just open it up or refresh the page if you left it open. Doing this helps Gmail recognize the protocol changes we've just made in the settings. After refreshing Gmail, check for the handlers and protocols icon in the browser's address bar. It looks like two intertwined diamonds or double arrows depending on your version. Click on this icon. This is the moment you've been working towards. Setting Gmail as the default. Once you've clicked the icon, a small dialog will pop up. Say yes to Google. Well, more specifically, toggle the option to allow Gmail to become the default handler for email links. Once you've done this, click Done to cement your choice. And just like that, you've ensured that every time you click on an email link in Chrome, it will open directly in Gmail. It's a small setting that's going to streamline your workflow significantly, saving you clicks and time. Now you're all set up to enjoy a seamless experience when handling email links in your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips like this one.